Hi, Hess School family, how are you? Today we are going to be playing a game and it is called Guess the Shape. And what it is I have my screen back here and it is going to give us some clues. And with the clues, we have to try and guess the shape. So it might tell you about how many sides it has. It might tell you, it's going to give you hints or clues at what the shape might be, okay? And you have to try and guess what it is. There's a couple clues or hints for each shape, okay? All right, are you guys ready? Do you know your shapes? You got this. I'm gonna stand off to the side a little bit so you can see most of the screen, and we will go ahead and get started. Okay, guess the shape. Okay, our first shape has this first clue, and it says it has 3 sides. That's what our sentence says. It has 3 sides. So what is a shape that has 3 sides? Do you need another clue? Okay, let's see. See what the next clue is. The next clue is that all of its edges are straight lines. So there's no curves. They're all straight edges. Okay? 3 sides, all straight lines or edges. Do you know what it is? It says it is I'll give you a second. Think, what has 3 sides, all straight lines? Ready? If you're not ready, go ahead and pause the video, okay? So give yourself a little more thinking time. If you're ready, here we go. It is a triangle. A triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides, and it has all straight edges, right? There's no round pieces in our triangle. All right, that is our first one. Okay, let's go to our next one. Okay, this sentence says it has 4 sides. This shape has 4 sides. Okay, so start thinking. There's a couple shapes that have 4 sides, so think about which one you think it might be. Next clue, all of the sides are equal in length. That means they're all the same length. They are all equal. So what has 4 sides that are all equal? Do you think about it? Okay, you got it? Okay, it is a square. A square. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they are all the same. The square is all same size. They are equal in length. It is a square. Okay, ready for the next shape? Okay, here we go. Ooh, this one also has 4 sides. Okay, that's our first clue. It has 4 sides. Okay, the parallel sides are equal. Parallel means it's the opposite. So this side is parallel to this side of our screen, or this top is parallel to the bottom of our screen. That's what parallel means. Okay, so it has 4 sides, and the opposite sides are equal. Okay, do you know what it is? So it doesn't say all sides are equal, just the parallel ones. Do you know what it is? A rectangle, a rectangle. A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but the parallel or the opposite sides are equal. So if you look, the top and the bottom are the same length, but the sides are not the same length as the top and the bottom, are they? No. The sides are the same, the top and bottom are the same. So that is parallel, parallel. Okay, next one. Ooh, this one has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. That's our first clue. It is shaped like a home plate. So if you watch baseball or softball, you know when you slide into home plate, that's what it looks like. So it says it looks like that, and it has 5 sides. What do you know that has 5 sides that kind of looks like a home plate or like a home. When you draw a cartoon home, do you know what it is? A pentagon. A pentagon. A pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And if you look, it kind of looks like a house, doesn't it? Or it looks like a home plate in baseball or softball. Yes, it is a pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. This next one, our first clue, it has the same shape as a square. But only opposite sides are equal. So, it has the same shape as a square, okay, but only the opposite sides are equal. Remember how we talked about parallel and opposite sides? What do you think looks like a square, but it's not a square because it says not all of them are equal, only the opposites? This is another clue. It's in a deck of cards. So when you play cards, there's 4 different suits is what they're called. There's the heart, there's the spade. What else is there? I think it's one of those. 4 sides. Looks like a square. This one might be tricky. Are you ready? It has 2 names too. I should have put that in there. It has 2 names. A diamond or a rhombus. So if you tilt a diamond or a rhombus to the side, if you tilt your head, it kind of looks like a square. It kind of does, like a angled square. So that's what it was saying. It looks kind of like a square, and the opposite sides are equal, right? Yes, because are these 2 sides equal? No, but these are. If you make an X, those are equal. Okay, that one was kind of tricky. Okay, next one. This one has curved edges. Okay, curved edges. So that means they're not straight, right? They are curved. That means they're kind of rounded. It has a point at the bottom of the shape. Okay. And you see it on Valentine's Day. So what do you see a lot on Valentine's Day that has curved edges and a point at the bottom of the shape? You think about it. What do you see? Are you ready? This one was hard to describe. It is a heart. A heart has curved edges at the top. See how it's curved at the top? But at the bottom, there is a point. There's a point right here at the bottom. Yes, a heart, a heart. Can you guys make a heart with your hands like this? If you take your hands and you stick your thumb out, stick both your thumbs out, and then you curve your hands, you can make a heart. A heart. All right. Okay. I think this is our last one. I think. Okay. This one says it has 5 pointed arms shaped like triangles. So it's not a triangle, but it kind of looks like little triangles, and it has 5 points. What shape has 5 points? Okay, here's another clue. You might see it at nighttime in the sky. You might see it in the sky at night. Do you know what it is? 5 points, and you see it at night. A star. A star has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And if you look at just the parts of a triangle, if you just look at that top part there, I'm trying to cover it up with my hands. My hands are too small. It kind of looks like a triangle, doesn't it? If you look at that little piece, it kind of looks like a triangle. But it's not. It's the star. A star. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. This one has no angles or no straight edges. It has one curved edge, and it has a round shape. So what has no, it has a curved edge, but it has a round shape, but it has no angles. An angle is like over here in our board. Do you see where these two, this top line and this side line meets? This right here is an angle. An angle looks like this. Right here where my hands are meeting, that's like an angle. So this one says it doesn't have any of angles. Do you know what it is? Okay, it's got one curved edge and it has a round shape. A circle. A circle is round in shape. It is curved, but it does not have any straight lines or angles or edges. And then this one says, congratulations, you know your shapes. So we worked on our shapes today. You guys looked at, let's see, you did a triangle, you did a square, a diamond, a heart, a circle. You guys did a lot of shapes today. You guys did awesome on your shapes. I hope you liked our shape game. I thought I would try and do something a little bit different, something that gave us clues, kind of like made us little detectives, and we had to try and figure out what the shape was. I know some of them were kind of tricky, but we will keep working on them, and we will keep working at learning our shapes and learning about clues and different words to describe our shapes, because there's lots of words out there like angles and edges and curved and straight and all kinds of things. But I'm very proud of you. You did awesome on today's shape game, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.